Hi guys, hope you all are doing well and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sanika and I create videos about makeup, skincare and curly hair care. So today we are going to be doing a little vlog. First we're going to get ready and then we are going to go celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi. I'm going to take you guys through my day and we're also going to do a little makeup wear test to see how my makeup holds out throughout my day. I am a makeup minimalist, but you know, some days I like putting in a little bit more effort and doing something a little extra, and today is one of those days. I'm going to show you guys how I do my base routine for a crazy day like today, and guess what? You get to come along too. On a busy and hectic day like this, my go-to products for my base routine are always from the Maybelline Fit Me Range. I use minimal products for doing my base because it's very humid in Mumbai, but when I use the Fit Me range, the makeup always stays in place and doesn't budge throughout the day. I have loved Maybelline products because they are so easy to use and carry with you. So let's get started. Going in with the Fit Me foundation. To begin with, I love the fact that the bottle comes with a pump, so it's very easy to dispense out the product. I have always used the tube in the past because it's great to start out with and so easy to carry. I take 2 pumps for my face and neck and dab the product all over my face. Then I go ahead and gently blend it all out with the help of a makeup blender. It's a new SPF 22 and Play formula, so you can easily wear this every day. Don't drag the product on your face, just gently dab it all over. Of course, if you want, you can build another layer to give more coverage. It's lightweight and doesn't clog your pores, and you can wear it in humid monsoons as well. The Clay formula keeps oil under control. It has a very natural finish on the skin and a mattifying texture. Next, let's move on to concealer. Then I love the Fit Me concealer to hide my blemishes and redness, so just a few dots in a few places give you the second skin-like look. It's an oil-free formula, so it is very lightweight and conceals all types of redness, blemishes and pigmentation. And here is my finished base makeup with Fit Me as I am. Available in a variety of shades for all skin tones and skin types. I am ready for the day after some lipstick, mascara and blush. Quick, simple and out the door in seconds. Let's go. You guys are coming with me today. So I'm back home and it's been a long day, and look guys, this has felt so well. I've not needed a touch up of any kind throughout the day. I truly love Maybelline's Fit Me range because it fits me as I am. If you're interested in trying out the complete range, I'm going to leave all the product links in the description box for you to check out. Don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscribe button if you're new here. 90% of you don't subscribe to me, so it will mean a whole lot to me if you all do. And that's all for today's video, guys. I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks again for hanging out with me. I love you all so much. Mwah.